Okay, so this is Neverhurtzu here, and I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy GarageBand song on GarageBand. So we're gonna go to GarageBand. You can go open up for make a new song. Then there you are. You click you adjust it to the way you want it. So you can make the length of the song automatic, so it'll automatically fit the length of the clip we're gonna get. So really, I'm just getting things started for when I copy a link. So you want to go to YouTube, so you can do all that GarageBand later. So you can just go to YouTube, find a beat that you want. So go up to search, look up free for profit. So if you get a free for profit, and you don't have to pay for a beat. So look up the kind of beat you want. So I'm gonna look for a Lil Peep type beat. So I'm gonna spend some time showing you guys what kind of beat. So it's gonna be like, oh, Lil Peep type beat, free for profit. So once you find the type of artist or type of beat that you want, you just like I like doing some old school sometimes, so I go old school type beat, free for profit. So I get that. I find a song that I want to get, so I find a beat. So here. That's a good beat, but you know, here's another one that I used before. So once you find your beat, you click share, and then you copy it. Click share and then copy, and then as soon as you get that, you exit out. Go to find a YouTube to MP3. Okay, so you're gonna take it from YouTube and put it into an MP3. So once you find that, you can just click the first one that's there. Then you put your link into the converter. So you just put your link in, paste it in, boom, convert. Wait for it to analyze, checking the video. So once that's done checking, then you can download it. All these links you can end up deleting. So you just hold on to that download, hold on to it. You want to hold on to it, and then go scroll down, click download link. And once you're done with that, you exit out, and then you go to file. You want to go to your file. So this is all screen recorded. I'm doing a voiceover, so that's why it's gonna be like this. So you go to files after that, and then you go yeah, so there it is. Here's the link that I wanted. There it is. So once it's like that, you just hold on to it. You want to move it and put it into the GarageBand for iOS file transfer. So once you click that file, because you have to click that one or else it won't transfer to GarageBand. So you got to click it into the GarageBand file transfer folder, and then you go to GarageBand, and then you can put your link in. So it'll be automatically right there in the loop. So there's a loop option. When you click that, it'll put this thing up, and you can go to your files, and then boom, there it is. So boom, there you go. There it is. You just hold on to it, drag it in, and then boom, there it is. So once you're done with that, you can just go to audio, click the microphone, and then start recording your song. Here, I'm gonna demonstrate. So you just get it. Okay, so you guys get the main idea, huh? That's how it is. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a question in the comments. And then the way this thing works, so there's already a set of, I don't know. There's a set of already done auto tunes and whatnot. If you want to use auto tune or not, it's your choice. So check the link in the description. I got some GarageBand songs out there. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.